Hello students, in this video we'll consider a question related to isomerism which had been asked in entrance exam. So you have to predict the type of isomerism in case of compounds are given to you, the isomers related to that complex, and the options are given: linkage, coordination isomerism, stereoisomerism or coordination position isomerism. The different types of isomerisms possible in case of coordination compounds has been already notified to you through two videos uploaded by me, whose description I'll be providing to you in the description box below this video. You can get the links for them, right? And you can check it out before you attempt this particular question. So I'll directly concentrate on these four options given here. As far as linkage isomerism is concerned, linkage isomerism deals with monodentate ligands which has more than one donor atom. For example, if you consider nitro group, right? So it has more than one donor atom. It can coordinate through nitrogen atom or it can also coordinate through oxygen atom, right? Relating to nitro complex or a nitrito complex. Okay, so such isomerism will be called as linkage isomerism. The second possibility, coordination isomerism. This isomerism occurs in compounds containing both cationic and anionic complexes because of different distribution of the ligands, and that's your answer for this question. So it is a coordination isomerism. Just try to understand here. It contains both cationic and anionic complex. Any one of it can be a cationic ion, complex ion, or any other one can be an anionic complex ion, right? So they have both the cationic as well as anionic complex ions, and there is different distribution of the ligands. So as you can observe in the first case, 6 amine ligands are coordinated with cobalt, and in second case 6 cyanide ligands are coordinated with cobalt. Similarly, you can observe here 6 cyanide ligands are coordinated with chromium and 6 amine ligands in the second isomer is coordinated with chromium, right? So there is different distribution of the ligands, and such isomerism is called as coordination isomerism. Okay. The third possibility, stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism is basically of two types, that is geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism, right? Again, the details have been already available to you. You can check it out in the link, right? And as far as coordination position isomerism is concerned, it deals with the bridged complexes. Now there is no bridging between this example given to you, so definitely it does not has a coordination position isomerism. So you are very much clear about your answer. The answer is option number 2, that is coordination isomerism. Okay. So that's about the question related to isomerism, and such questions may appear in your entrance exams. So be prepared for it. Work hard, stay safe. Thank you.